Ino niyo mashini ya kiriu iria ruguritio ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru. Mashini ria yonekete gukorwo na uhoti munene wa kurehe mogaruruku thiini wa kaunti no hari kugacirithia utheru. Akiaria hindi iria aramiruguragia gavana wa kaunti no Kiraitu Murungi augite thirikari yake ni ihotorete gutigirira ni agacirithia utheru kumana na kumbwo kwa bodi njeru iria igukorwo ikinya bara mihang'o ino.
I know tumekuwa na shida nyingi, na mengi anajua. Even people are refusing to pay in various markets and because of inefficiency in garbage collection. So I'm very, very happy about this step that we are starting in Meru municipality today.
Nake minister wa maundu megie watho no tungata kuri muingi kaunti-ini ino Kauthi Arithi augite mashini ino ni gukorwo na umithio munene kuri aikari ya kaunti ino.
The kind of garbage collection trucks that we've been having, first of all, they are so old. Ingine ni KWE, ingine ni KER. Hawa management staff wanajua hiyo magari imetusumbua kila siku iko kwa garage.
Enda ku request department of public health, tafadhali tusaidie hii department ya public service na tusaidie pia department ya health.
When our environment is sure and well done, we shall not be worried about the rain patterns. We shall not be worried about inadequate water levels.
Naona gukiri uguo aikari ni marutirwo mukana wa gutacukirio makinya ma kiwatho hari mundu uria kunyitikana akinyagia giko na njira itari na kihariro.
Kuangalia maua. Asante sana.
Andu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwo ni Maina wa Mwangi.
Asante sana. Asante sana.